Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for Tekken 3, and today I'm going to tell you how to unlock all of the characters within this game. So let's get started right away. Now first of all of the characters that you can unlock can be unlocked by beating the arcade mode. When you beat the arcade mode once, this will unlock Kuma. Upon beating it 2 times, this will unlock Julia Chang, and on your 3rd victory, this will unlock Gunjack. Your 4th victory will unlock Mokujin, while your 5th and 6th victory will unlock Anna Williams and Brian Fury. At number 7, Heihachi Mishima will be unlocked, whereas on your 8th victory you will unlock Ogre. And finally, upon beating arcade mode 9 times, you will unlock True Ogre. And those are all of the characters that you can unlock by beating arcade mode specific number of times. In order to unlock Gon, you will be required to gather 650 points by choosing any one character. Once this character has acquired 650 points, Gon will be unlocked. And that is how you can unlock all of the characters on the Tekken 3 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful updates in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.